Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me, Shan Hormaz, and back with another hot crypto project. Today, just want to talk about VVS Finance, and I want to give you complete detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project you will be get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one before you start. A small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you are new to channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Shan Hormaz. So let's get started recording VVS Finance. Basically, what is VVS Finance and what is the future of this one project? So I just want to clear every point about this project. And after to watch my video, if you have any question about this one project, you simply leave the comment in the comments box. I'm trying to my best, and I want to give you replies soon as possible. Basically, if you look to the VVS Finance, very simple DeFi trading for all. Basically, these have already simple trade right here. You can see if you want to trade like same like to Trust Wallet Pancake Swap, you know about Pancake Swap, how to swap any token with any pairs. And you can see this is also some detail about liquidity. You can also set liquidity. This platform is same like to Pancake Swap. And after that, you can also farm your tokens and mine your tokens. And after that, I just want to click on the dashboard, but I just want to open on the separate link. And after that, this is some detail about IGO, and you can see your gateway to the decentralized finance moment. Take control of your finance and earn sparkly VVS rewards. Basically, you can also earn different type of rewards, and you know about that. If you want to trade right over here, you must be connect your wallet same like to Pancake Swap with MetaMask. And how can you connect this one wallet? So you simply click on it. After you simply click on the connect button on MetaMask. After it, you will be connect right over here. So if you connect right over here, so first of all, you simply copy the Kronos address from here, and if you copy this one address, after it, you simply able to buy this one project easily. But if you have any doubt about that, I will be clear this point as well as at the end of this video. And you can see we aims to make DeFi simple and within range of billion low fees, fast transaction and competitive earning. And if you look to shiny yield farming opportunity, so this is also too much pretty good and clear incentives for all and hardened security and governance. So means that security also too much better. And you can see stream of passive income to multiply your assist the rest and bring guest yield farming in the VVS farm. So it's simply about that you will be on almost brightest yield farming easily from the VVS Finance. But how can you buy the VVS Finance? So I will show you at the end of this. So this is simply wait for that. After that, choose your part and join the DeFi movement today. Be a DeFi trader. If you want to DeFi traders, so simply sweep instantly sweep tokens with low fees and slippage. Keep your eyes out for new pairs and new token listing. So means that there's also listing a new token. Like if you look to Pancake Swap, there's a many token list on a day. You know about that already if you are do a trading of cryptocurrency. And you can see be a liquidity providers low minimum supply or tokens pairs to receive liquidity provides LP tokens, collect transaction fees and farm shiny VVS rewards. So you'll be also on different type of reward from that sites and VVS miner. You can also do mining in this one website as well as you can see your passive income. Crystallize your VVS token staking for a fixed amount to receive even more VVS token stake and forget that simple. So you can also stake your VVS though in this one platform. But how can you stake that? I will show you. Simply wait for that. You can see VVS token is at the core of VVS Finance. If you look to the value, stake for rewards. The breads and butter for our miners stake VVS to earn VVS. Utility stash to join coming soon. And if you look to governance, this is a hold to vote. This is also on coming soon. And this is some detail about the community. If you want to join the community, you'll be get a latest news from their sides. So you must be joined that, and we are simply a group of avoid DeFi atheists who desire to build a platform our peers will use and love. So join the chat and you can beat you. We will keep our ears wide open. So this is some detail about the community, but I just want to give you some important detail from the main Twitter account. You can see if you look at the community of this one project, the community is almost 71.2k followers. Means that community is also too much better. And after that, I just want to go to the main dashboard. You can see right over here, this is a main dashboard of your staking and minings and liquidity. So now how can you connect this one wallet with MetaMask? So first of all, you simply click on this button. After it, simply click on the MetaMask. So if you do that, after it, you simply placed your password right over here. So after it, if you place the password right over here, after it, you simply click on this button. If you click on this button, your VVS will be staked right over here, and you will be on a passive income from that side. So this is how can you stake the VVS in this one platform. So I just want to give you some important tell from the main coin market cap. You can see VVS Finance. This is our DeFi DEX. This is a text of this one project. And if you look to up and low in 24 hours, almost 4.54. You know about that market is also right now crashed, but if you want to participate in that, this is a best way to participate in this one project. Because you know, if you look to cake, you can see cake just rise almost 1,000 in just 2 years. You know about that because if you look to the cake is also the token of pancake swap. So this is also a best project because you can see this project have a separate wallet and we can trade in this one platform easily. After that, I just want to give you some important tell about the main all-time high. You can see that we had the all-time high. They just want to create almost 77.21% up. This is just a 3 month ago, and they didn't show the all-time low. This is also created in just 3 months ago. And you can see how can you buy this one project, from where you can buy this one project. You simply also buy this one project from crypto.com exchange, and as well as from VVS Finance. So basically, first of all, I just want to give you some important tell. First of all, you simply copy this one address. So if you copy this one address, after you simply click on the connect button. If you connect this one wallet, so after that you simply sweep up. You can see if you click on the sweep button, so after it, you simply sweep up your USDT or USDT and others. You simply sweep up with the pair of that. First of all, you simply select right over here. I just want to search Ethereum because you know in your MetaMask wallet you must have a Ethereum. So after it, you simply click on that. If you click on that, your Ethereum will be sweep up to VVS easily. So this is how can you buy the VVS tokens, and as well as how can you stake right over here. So this is all detail about this one project. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Shan Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.